Welcome to HP Tuner's GM Gen 5 Training Part 6. In this training module, we're going to learn how we can use our VCM Editor software to do the reading and writing process for our engine control modules, as well as taking a look at the licensing process for HP Tuners. We're going to have a lot to cover. Let's jump in so we can check this out. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to be taking a look at doing the reading and writing process on an actual vehicle using our MPVI2 cable and the VCM Editor software. So the reading is going to be reading the stock equivalent file or the file that's flashed onto your PCM out of the vehicle. We can save that file and then we can make some changes and flash the file back to the vehicle. Flashing the file is going to be then writing the new file in place of the file that exists on the PCM in its current state. Now before we do any of that, we have to actually go and apply credits to the MPVI2 cable. So you may have credits already applied to your cable. In my case, I don't have any credits on my cable. Now the first thing I need to do is figure out how many credits the vehicle that I'm working with is going to take. I have a 2018 Yukon Denali. I need to go in and look on HP Tuner's website, how many credits it's going to take, and then charge my cable with those amounts of credits. Now it's typically a 2-credit type of configuration for most GM applications. Let's double check out how many credits we need, and then we'll learn how we can add the credits to our MPVI2 cable. And this is all done virtually. If you are going to do the credit adding to your cable, you need to be in a situation where you have either Wi-Fi or an internet connection of some sort on your computer, and you're going to have your MPVI2 cable handy so you can go ahead and apply those credits to the cable. Let's go ahead and take a look at how we're going to do this. So first things first, we're going to go into the year, make, model of the vehicle and see how many credits it's going to take. I'm going to jump into HP Tuner's website here. We have hptuners.com on the front page of the website. And we're going to go in here and we're going to jump into our vehicle section here at the top. And then we're going to go and scroll down. We're going to be looking here at GMC. This is a GMC Yukon Denali, and this is a 2018 model year. So we're going to scroll down here, and we're going to be looking for Yukon. Let's go all the way to the bottom, and we're going to find Yukon. Now, in this case, we find 17 to 20. That's the model years we're looking at here. We're going to find Yukon a 5.3 and a 6.2. Now, in this situation, it actually is going to take 4 credits. So you can see most of the GM applications, if we look up the list here, will mostly be 2 credits. In this case, this vehicle is going to be 4 credits. It's a good thing I checked, because if I applied only 2 credits to my cable, I wouldn't have enough credits to be able to flash the file back to the vehicle and apply that license credits that we've purchased. So we need to go and actually purchase 4 credits. It's not a big deal. We just need to always check that for the year, make, model vehicle we're working with. So let's go up here. I'm signed into my account. Up here at the top, we can see it's Welcome Jeffrey Evans. You need to go and sign into your account in order to start to apply the credits to the cable you're working with. Let's go here and click on the account. And then we're going to go in here and move into My Devices. My Devices is going to allow me to add the credits to my particular cable that I'm working with. Now I have an MPVI2 cable. We can find here under My Devices, under the MPVI2 cable section, we see here that I have the serial number of the cable that I'm dealing with. We see the credits that I've used in the past, 144. We want to go in and add more credits. We can see we have this button here called Add Credit. Now, you need to make sure that your account has been paired to your cable that you're using. In order to do that, you need to go in and you need to set your serial number here, and there's a verification ID. In order to get the verification ID, if you haven't done this already, and create your account and put your serial number cable and apply that so the MPVI2 serial number is attached to your account, you need to jump into the software here. You need to go into Help. You need to go in here into our, jumping down into MPVI2 verification code. What you'll have to do is go in, and in this case it's auto detecting the serial number. I have the MPVI2 cable plugged into my laptop already. It's actually plugged into the car and it's plugged into my laptop, so I'm ready to go to actually read and write. But again, I'm trying to do this license process first. It automatically detects what my serial number is going to be, and it gives me a verification code. The verification code is what we need to copy from here, and we need to paste back into our web browser right here, verification ID. So we have to enter in the serial number for the MPVI2 cable that we're dealing with and the verification ID, and then we do import, and what that's going to do is import that into your account. So in my case, I only have a single cable that I work with, and that's already been taken care of. So I've had the serial number attached to my account, and I also have the verification ID has also been verified, so it knows everything is synced up, and I'm ready to go. So you just have to do that process before you go any further. In this case, that's all taken care of already, and my cable has no credits applied. So now we need to apply the actual credits to my cable. So what we need to do here is go into Add Credit option. So go into Add Credit. That's going to bring me into my Universal Credits page. what we want to do here is add 4 credits. It showed we need 4 credits for this particular vehicle. So I'm going to go here and add 4. And we see the serial number is going to be listed here. This is my MPVI2 cable. We can find I don't have any other MPVI2 cables assigned to this or any other MPVI. Thanks for checking out our teaser clip. If you want to see the rest of this video and more than 500 hours of current EFI training we have to offer, make sure you click right here. If you want to go and check out more teaser clips from this training course, click here. And you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to be releasing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.